Hi, my name's Katie with WTI, and I really feel that having something handmade in your house makes it feel more like a home. And that is definitely the case with this light by CASAMOTION. This is a hand-blown glass light, and I think it is just so beautiful. Because it's hand-blown, every piece is going to look just a little bit different. One of the great features about this light is that you can adjust the hanging height of it. So obviously we put ours in a bathroom. It's got low ceilings, and our previous light was right at eye level. We wanted it higher than that, and so we were able to place it exactly where we wanted it. But the cord is really long. This is actually how much of the cord we didn't use. So it would be great in a kitchen with tall ceilings as well. You get to put it where you want it and adjust the height. I also like how clearly labeled the wires were, so you knew which one was the ground, the lead, and the neutral. And installation was a piece of cake because I let my husband do it. But really, he got it done in the time it took me to make up a box of mac and cheese for him. Overall, this light is exactly what we were looking for our bathroom, and that's my point of view.